What is up, trappers? Check it out. We are live, man. Back here we have the Trap Blazer, and the tailgate is full of stuff back here, guys. We have some projects going on. There's a notification that Trap My Ride is live, but we have some projects getting ready to happen. They're getting ready to go down here on the Blazer. I'm gonna flip this camera around and show you what we got going on here on the Blazer. So start back here, guys. I have another alternator. I don't know. Excuse me. I don't know if I'm going to kill the one that's on it or not, but I got this around just to make sure I do. What is up, Keelan? I see you're watching. But guys, we got the new spacers in. These are 2.5 inches. So we're going to put these on. Check this out. If you look over here, you can see that there's a spacer already on there. That's 1.25 inches, and you can see how the wheel sets. And the fronts have 1.25 inches on them also, guys. I was going to lower the truck over these wheels, but since I'm not going to lower it, we're going to go ahead and widen it up another 1.25 inches. So the whole truck be about 2.5 inches wider than it is now. These have a lot of negative offset, so they set way in from factory. So we have to bring them out quite a bit. This pretty much brings them out to where they need to be from factory. So it's pretty much, we're going to space them out 1.25 inches, making the whole truck about 2.5 inches wider, essentially. But both of these on from hub to hub, it'll be 5 inches wider. And these are monstrous, guys. Monstrous. But in this box, this is what we have that's cool. This is the part that I'm kind of excited about. I'm going to show you guys this here. Check this out. I've been waiting on this to come. This will be fun and super awesome. Check this out, guys. We have, damn it, if I can get this open here, we'll set that up here. But they are the wheel lights, the ring lights, guys. Let's check this out right here. This is their RGB. They have the lights on the inside and the outside. Nice, thick, big LEDs. They have brackets. Everything is going to go on. So these are going to go on the Blazer, guys. Let's grab this. These are going to go on the Blazer. And 2 of these are left. 2 of them are right. I have the kit that has the turn signals integrated. So that way when I hit the left turn signal, you know, the left side to blink, or when I hit the brake, they'll all light up red. But these will chase and do all the stuff. They're actually ARGB. They're individually addressable rather than just the thing being one whole color and then changing or blinking. They'll chase and follow each other, all that cool stuff. So those are getting ready to go on. We're going to start this project, guys. So we're going to paint the calipers while we're in there. I have their caliper paint, all that stuff. So we're going to pull off and get those on. But this comes with all the hardware, guys. It's actually really cool. Let's check this out. Each one of these comes with 5 brackets. I really don't know if I'm going to need all 5 of these brackets, but they come with the hardware. And you see their hex head screws. See that? So they're not real, you know, they're not super generic cheap. But these brackets are actually kind of heavy duty. So that's pretty cool. Here's the main box that goes to it. It has one of those QR codes so you can scan it and get the app for the Bluetooth. But you can see we got 2 lefts, 2 rights, so that way they tie into the turn signal. Let's see right here. We should have, that's probably just a regular ground, and then that's probably just a regular hot. And then one of these would be left turn signal, right turn signal, and then brake line. I'm not sure which is which. I have to look it up in the manual. But one would be a constant ground, constant 12 volt, and then you'll get the hot from the left and the right turn signals, and then one from one of the hots of the brakes, and that will cause it to do whatever it does and change colors. But hopefully the rain, damn if I can get this back in the box, hopefully the rain stays away and we can get some of this done. I had to pick this up. You have to drill and rivet the brackets in behind the dust cover. What is up, Trevin Smiler? He's with us. What's up, Trevor? So you have to rivet them in. So I went out to O'Reilly's. Shout out to the guys at O'Reilly's. Eric was working out there tonight. He helped me out find this, got me in and out real quick. So we have that, so we can complete that. Stickers, guys, Trap My Ride stickers are coming. So here's the first prototypes. We might put these on the Blazer, one on the mini truck, I'm not sure, but we have ones that are not like this. Check this out. These are actual like vinyl graphics. They'll go on like that, but I have ones that are on a clear film. They're coming. So a shout out to Mike Johnson at Subla Graphics and Designs. Huge shout out to those guys. If you need shirts, anything done, stickers, man, they are your people to go to, man. This guy, he does good work for me. I really appreciate it. So another shout out to Mike Johnson, man, Subla Graphics. Appreciate it. Let's see. Trevor says, not much, just chilling. What are you doing? You can see what I'm doing, Trevor. Keelan says, I'm off tonight, or I would have sold it to you. Oh, right on. You should come by and hang out, Keelan. That'd be cool. So in here, guys, we have, I don't know if you can see, this is the Dayton Audio DSP. This is the wired remote. The one that we have took a dump, and Brent Mishler loaned me his from, it's actually, his isn't a Dayton Audio. His is, what is it, Ground Zero or whatever designs. But the new one's here. We'll get this one ran. It's a little bit different than the old one, actually. The old one had a flat wire, more like a phone line. I mean, it still has the phone plug, you can see. But this one disconnects here, which is pretty cool. And it comes with this cool little mounting bracket, and it just clicks in and out of that. So that's here, guys. But another awesome thing that we have going on for the Blazer right here. These are the RGB color change headlights. And these will be going in real soon too, guys. Look at these. Monstrous. So those should be real nice and bright. We might do the 4-beam or the 6-beam mod on the headlights. I'm not sure, but we're going to get these in first. But I want to show you this, guys. When these headlights go in, we have another little bit of work to do. I don't know what happened, but these headlights, they weren't like this when I got them. So all this is on the outside. It's just coursed up. It's like they're clear coat or something cracked in the car wash or the sun. But you see, this one's real bad. So we're going to pull these clear out, and we're going to take the Meguiar's headlight kit to them and get the nice headlights in. Guys, we have another RGB kit. We're going to put 2 lights in the Chevy Gang bow tie down here, put one behind the bottom grill and the one back here, and those will work off of the Bluetooth and the tablet, just like the interior lights and the underglow. It's the same kit essentially. So we'll have the nice LED headlights, and I bought a set of nice bright Arctic White high beams for it too, so we'll probably get those in. And those are actually brand new bulbs in the fog light, so we'll probably leave those and get those in, guys. And that would be it for the Blazer, man. We'll be done with this and ready to just ride and roll. You can see I haven't driven it in days. You see I got the floor mats up in here, everything's closed up. Man, it smells so cherry, like Kool-Aid in here, guys. But we'll just keep it detailed and clean. We'll bring it out and have some fun on the weekends. But we'll get all this finished up and get it in. But over here, guys, you can see this. I haven't really showed everybody, but I'll be taking some pictures and a couple little videos. But we got all the stickers off the frame. This is actually a 90s Bratz deal, and we pulled the spring out of the front clip here, sends the front end down, lowers the bike. So we got those on, and we have a bunch of stuff ordered. So hopefully, guys, that'll be here next week, and we'll do this project. And I'll probably just shoot the whole thing live from the Trap Shack while I work on it. But we got new wheels, we got new fenders, new seat, sissy bar, new handlebar grips, new pedals, chain guard, and we have dice, purple dice with glitter in them or whatever for the valve stem covers. And we have run flat inner tubes, and I think we're going to clean these white walls here up and get them on, and we'll pull this seat and stuff off and get it cleaned up, guys. But that's what we're doing with that, so stay tuned. That's what we're going to be up to, guys. And later on the night, when I have some progress and some more stuff going on with the Blazer, after I get it up, get the wheels off, maybe after I get the first light or something installed, maybe we'll set this up and we'll just roll it live. But alright, guys, that's what it is. That's what we're doing tonight. We'll see you guys in the next clip. Keep on trapping.